Hi guys, welcome to Puliadi's kitchen. Today we are going to learn how to make ginger chutney. Ginger chutney is very flavorful and delicious, and it's made with fresh ginger root, tamarind, red chilies and a few other spices. We use chana dal and urid dal to enhance the aroma and texture of the chutney. This ginger chutney goes very well with idlis and dosas, so let's learn how to make this. To make this chutney, we need 1 cup of fresh cut ginger, 5 to 6 red chilies, 1 lime-sized tamarind soaked in water, 1 tablespoon of chana dal, curry leaves, mint leaves, 1 tablespoon of urad dal, and for seasoning, we need vegetable oil, mustard seeds, urad dal, turmeric powder, hing, and chana dal. And finally, we need salt. You can add salt according to your taste. Let's learn how to make the chutney. First, switch on the stove on medium flame, and in a deep pan, you can add 3 tablespoons of vegetable oil. When the oil gets hot, you can add 1 tablespoon of urad dal, 1 tablespoon of chana dal, and then roast the dals in the oil until it becomes golden brown. You can roast the dals for 2 to 3 minutes on low flame. Once the dals have become golden brown, you can add 1 cup of chopped fresh ginger to this and fry the ginger for about 2 minutes on low flame. Add some mint leaves and some curry leaves. Stirring them, cook for a minute or so. Add 6 red chilies now. If you want the chutney to be really hot, you can add like about 8 red chilies, or if you don't want it spicy, you can add 4 red chilies. Add half teaspoon of turmeric powder to this now. You can add the soaked tamarind extract to this and make sure there are no seeds. Cook for about 3 minutes until the raw smell of the tamarind goes away. Add 1 tablespoon of salt, or you can add salt according to your taste. Stir it well so the salt blends well with all the ingredients in the chutney. Cook for about 3 minutes so the water in the tamarind extract nicely evaporates, and then you can switch off the stove. Let the ingredients cool down for about 10 minutes, and adding some water to the ingredients, you can grind the chutney in a blender. Blend until the chutney becomes smooth like this. You can transfer this to a pan, and then you can add some more water to this and heat the chutney on medium flame until it comes to a boil. Since we added water, we are just making sure the chutney comes to a boil. Once the chutney starts boiling, you can switch off the stove. Now for seasoning, in a small pan, you can add 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil. Switch on the stove on medium flame, and when the oil in the pan gets hot, you can add half teaspoon of mustard seeds, half teaspoon of urad dal, quarter teaspoon of hing, and 1 tablespoon of chana dal. Add 2 red chilies and some curry leaves. When the mustard seeds crackle, you can switch off the stove and you can add this to the ginger chutney. Your world famous ginger chutney from the Puliadi's kitchen is ready to enjoy. This chutney goes well with idlis, dosas, upma, rava dosas, etc. This chutney is good to consume during monsoon seasons and winter months as it keeps the body warm. Make this spicy, tangy, delicious ginger chutney at home and enjoy with your family. Thank you.